Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat cloves every day? What if I told you that by adding just 2 cloves to your daily diet can do many wonders to your body? We're talking about enhancing hair growth, boosting your immune system, improving your oral health, and so much more. Stay tuned to discover the secrets of 2 little cloves that can make a big difference in your well-being. In today's video, we will share with you the 10 amazing health benefits of eating 2 cloves daily and how cloves can transform your overall health. Number 1. Prevents stomach ulcers. Stomach or peptic ulcers are painful sores that happen when the protective lining of the duodenum, esophagus, or stomach gets weak. These ulcers can be caused by things like infections, stress, and genetics. Cloves, a natural remedy, can increase the protective mucus in your stomach, acting as a barrier to shield it from digestive acids. In 2008, a study found that consuming cloves had results similar to certain anti-ulcer medicines. Ayurvedic medicine often uses cloves to treat digestive issues. Number 2. Lower blood sugar levels. Cloves contain special compounds that can make insulin work better in our bodies and help manage blood sugar. These compounds help our bodies use insulin more effectively, which means we can control our blood sugar levels more easily. Some studies suggest that the active ingredients in cloves can lower blood sugar when we haven't eaten for a while and reduce how much our blood sugar goes up after we eat. Cloves might be helpful for preventing and managing diabetes because they slow down the process of breaking down carbohydrates and absorbing glucose. By doing this, cloves keep our blood sugar from going up too quickly, helping us manage our blood sugar better. Also, cloves have antioxidants that can protect the cells in our pancreas that make insulin. By keeping these cells healthy, cloves can help our bodies make enough insulin. Number 3. Boost immune system. Cloves are like superheroes for your health. They're loaded with powerful antioxidants that make your immune system super strong. These antioxidants, along with the high vitamin C content in cloves, help your body make white blood cells, which are like your immune system's army against sickness. Plus, cloves contain eugenol, a special compound that fights off harmful germs. They also help your body create T cells, which are like super soldiers against infections. So, cloves keep you safe from things like the flu, colds, and lung infections. They're like a shield that protects you from getting sick. And if you have inflammation, cloves can help calm it down, reducing the risk of long-term health problems. In simple terms, cloves are like a powerful defender for your body. Number 4. Enhancing hair growth. Cloves are rich in important minerals like manganese, iron, and zinc, which play a vital role in promoting strong and healthy hair. These minerals are essential for creating keratin, the protein that forms the structure of your hair, making it more resilient. Cloves are also packed with vitamins, including vitamin C and vitamin E. Vitamin C helps produce collagen, a protein that gives strength to your hair, while vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting your scalp and hair from damage. Moreover, cloves have natural antimicrobial properties that can fight fungal and bacterial scalp infections, reducing the risk of dandruff, itching, and irritation. When applied topically, cloves have a warming effect, which boosts blood circulation to the scalp. This increased blood flow brings vital nutrients and oxygen to your hair follicles, supporting healthy hair growth and preventing hair loss. Number 5. Anti-aging. Cloves have special properties that can help your skin look younger by preventing wrinkles and sagging. They contain a powerful ingredient often used in beauty products, which improves blood flow and removes dead skin cells. This makes your skin look radiant and youthful. Serena Poon, a nutritionist, celebrity chef, and Reiki master, explains that cloves can help your body fight aging signs. She mentions that antioxidant-rich foods like cloves with their epigenetic cues, anti-inflammatory features, and mitochondrial activity contribute significantly to your overall vitality and longevity. You can easily incorporate cloves into your diet by adding them to rice dishes, smoothies, and desserts. Number 6. Improve oral health. Cloves contain a powerful natural compound called eugenol, which acts as a kind of germ-fighting superhero for your mouth. It can wipe out harmful bacteria, preventing yucky stuff from growing in your oral space. This helps you avoid problems like mouth infections, gum troubles, and toothaches. But that's not all. Cloves have another cool trick up their sleeve. They can make your mouth go numb and give you relief if your teeth are hurting or your mouth is feeling funky. Plus, cloves are like little firefighters for your gums. They can put out the flames of gum inflammation, swelling, and tenderness, making your gums healthier. And to top it off, cloves can be your go-to breath freshener. They kick out the smelly bacteria that make your breath stinky. People have been using cloves in natural remedies for mouth issues like toothaches, mouth sores, and sore gums for a long time. If you want to get the benefits of cloves for your mouth, the easiest way is to gently chew on them. This releases the special oils that do all the good stuff. You can also find mouthwashes with clove power or put clove oil right where you need it for some extra help. Number 7. Enhance respiratory health. Cloves have strong properties that help thin mucus and phlegm, making it easier to clear your airways. This is especially useful for people with conditions like bronchitis, asthma, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Cloves also have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory features, which can fight respiratory infections and reduce airway inflammation. Inhaling clove oil or adding it to steam can quickly relieve coughs, congestion, and sore throats. Cloves contain eugenol and flavonoids that act as bronchodilators, relaxing your respiratory muscles and improving airflow. Additionally, cloves are packed with antioxidants that shield your respiratory system from oxidative stress and harm caused by free radicals. Number 8. Improve digestion. Cloves are great for digestion due to their natural oils, like eugenol. These oils help with issues like bloating and gas by calming the stomach muscles and reducing inflammation. Cloves also encourage the production of digestive enzymes, which assist in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. They fight harmful bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Cloves can ease an upset stomach, reduce nausea, and provide relief from digestive discomfort. They can even help with serious conditions like gastric ulcers by protecting the stomach lining. Whether you add cloves to your meals or have them as herbal tea, they're a helpful way to improve digestion and overall gut health. Number 9. Improving brain function. Cloves are packed with strong antioxidants and beneficial compounds that can boost brain function and shield it from diseases that affect brain health. The antioxidants in cloves fight against harmful oxidative stress and lessen inflammation in the brain, which can lead to cognitive decline. Moreover, cloves have elements like eugenol, known for safeguarding the brain and promoting the growth and survival of brain cells. Studies show that consuming cloves can potentially enhance memory, focus, and overall cognitive abilities. Additionally, cloves have been seen to hinder the formation of amyloid plaques, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. By reducing these plaques, cloves may help prevent cognitive decline and maintain good brain health. What's more, cloves have mood-improving qualities and can alleviate symptoms of stress and anxiety, promoting overall mental well-being. Number 10. Boost sleep quality. Cloves are known for their ability to help you sleep better. They have compounds that calm your nerves, reduce anxiety, and promote tranquility, making it easier to fall asleep. These aromatic spices can also act as a natural sedative. Cloves contain special substances that boost the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates your sleep patterns. By increasing serotonin levels, cloves can help you maintain a balanced sleep schedule and improve the quality of your sleep. Additionally, cloves have pain-relieving properties, which can help you sleep without discomfort. Beyond their direct sleep benefits, cloves are a good source of magnesium, a mineral that promotes relaxation and supports healthy sleep. They also contain a small amount of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Will you start eating cloves daily after watching this video? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. And we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.